Have you tried to lose weight unsuccessfully, either losing weight and then gaining it all back, or not be able to lose weight at all? Well, today I'm going to share with you 5 habits that helped me to lose 50 pounds. My name is Bill Bradley. I'm a registered dietitian. Wait till the end of the video for a very special offer, and remember to hit like and subscribe and comment below. Tip number 1, experience mild hunger throughout your day. So, if you have a mild hunger, which doesn't mean being hangry. Hangry is when you're so hungry that you're angry and you're agitated. If you're hangry, you're more likely to crave foods and eat foods that are not good for you. But a mild hunger, and this is something that I've experienced, if you have a mild hunger, you start to have increased energy, more focus. And in ancient Japan, for example, there's a saying called Hari Hachi Bu, which is to eat to 80% of fullness. This is from Okinawa, one of the healthiest places in the world. Also, modern science tells us that if you eat less food, you're going to have improved mood, improved sex drive, you're going to feel better, and guess what? You're going to lose weight. So experience mild hunger throughout the day. Tip number 2, have a self-care routine that lasts all day long. So a lot of people talk about morning routines, and morning routines are very important for being able to lose weight. But to have a self-care routine that lasts all day means that you are taking care of yourself all day long, which means you're less likely to do things that are going to be bad for your diet or bad for weight loss. So it's very important to have routines that last all day long. So I have all the things that I need to do throughout the day on my iPhone in reminders, but there's lots of different ways you could do this, and so I just check them off throughout the day. Every day it renews, and so I'll share that list of the things that I have on my reminders. But again, the important reason for doing this is that if you just have a morning routine, you're less likely to take care of yourself later in the day. So make sure you have a self-care routine that lasts all day long. Tip number 3, move every day. So this is really, really important for a number of reasons. First of all, if you can move every day, and I mean just going for a walk or biking, whatever you want to do for movement, you not only burn extra calories while you are doing the exercise, but you also burn more calories throughout the day. So it's really important. This is a good thing to do in the morning, so you will continue to burn calories throughout the day. Second of all, it improves your brain, it improves your gut microbiome, it improves your whole body. Again, we're not just thinking about weight loss here, we're thinking about healing your body. So this is an amazing way to heal your body. The side effect, again, is weight loss. So remember to move every day. Tip number 4. Create a new snack habit. Now I have an apple snack hack that I love to do and was incredibly helpful in helping me lose 50 pounds, maybe one of the most important things. Now I used to in the afternoon start to feel tired and hangry, and I would go and I would eat something like M&Ms, like peanut M&Ms or some chips or even popcorn or just a lot of things, maybe leftovers, things that would actually not be good, things with lots of calories, things that would make me full and not really feel any less full of energy. And so what I decided to do was, when I just started to feel more hungry than a mild hunger, is that I would eat an apple. And this works amazingly for me because, for one thing, an apple is a complete snack. You eat the apple and you're done. And usually with other snacks, like you might have a huge bag of peanuts, for example, you just keep eating and eating and eating. But with an apple, you're done. And so I've trained myself to eat an apple and have that be it. So try having healthy snacks and have it be something like an apple that has an ending to it. And that is my apple snack hack. Tip number 5, and one of the major habits that is going to completely change your life: eat a really, really healthy diet. For me, that's the Mediterranean diet. This diet is anti-inflammatory, it's good for your gut, it's good for your brain, it's good for almost every part of your body. So if you get into the habit of eating well, you will start to lose weight and you'll be able to keep it off. So for me, I lost 50 pounds and I've been able to keep it off for years because I continue to eat the healthy diet. I just made some modifications for weight loss and I was able to lose weight, but then when I got to the weight I wanted to, I just started eating the way I wanted to, eating the Mediterranean diet, and it worked great. So make sure that you eat a really, really healthy diet, which means that you don't have unhealthy foods in your house, no processed foods, but really healthy foods all the time. Surround yourself with this type of food, and you will not only be able to lose weight, but you'll be able to keep it off forever. And now for the special offer. If you're interested in the program that I created to lose weight, check out the link below. Mediterranean Diet Weight Loss Program. We're going to give you 30% off. It's an amazing way. It's a 10-week program, an amazing way to lose weight. And I think it's something that will not only help you lose weight, but heal your body and make yourself feel better. Remember, make sure that you link below for that, and also that you subscribe and answer this question. What kind of diets have you done in the past that were not successful for you? All right, this is Bill Bradley, and I'll see you next time.